Okay, welcome to my channel. I have to open today the Cupid box from the Fat Quarter Shop. So this is the February kind of, I'm assuming, Valentine themed box for this season. Hi, Bentley. Can you see Bentley? Yep. Hey, buddy, I'm going to open this box and then we'll maybe go outside. What do you think? He doesn't want to go outside because it is rainy today and he does not like to get his paws wet. So, all right, buddy, I need you to get down. Good boy. And then I will open up the Cupid box and we'll talk about it. I've slit the tape, but I have not opened it. So let's see. Ooh, pretty. Special delivery 2022 Cupid box. Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. I know, it's very exciting, Bentley. So here we go. There's a promo code on here. I want to purchase something else from the Fat Quarter Shop. Okay, I've got a little packet here with some information. Let's see what's in here. This arrived yesterday. Okay, we'll save the fabric for last. They have finishing fabrics. Ooh, that's exciting. Cupid Box exclusive. Keep your heart on your keychain with this happy leather heart keychain charm. So, oh, here it is. Oh, how cute. Leather. That's pretty. You see that? I have walked all over this house trying to find a good spot to record. It is a very dreary day and the light is just atrocious almost everywhere. This is a roughly south-facing window. And it's a little bit better here. Okay, it's a little charm on here that's, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. And that says in love. Can you kind of see it? There we go, that's a little better. So that's really pretty. Oh, and a little heart for the clip. It squeezes in on the side. I don't know if you can see, but kind of squeezes in right there. Okay, what's next? Cherry lip balm. Here we go. Cupid Box cherry lip balm. I could have used that yesterday. We went to a Battle of Aiken. It's a Civil War reenactment that they do, I think, annually in, not in the town of Aiken, although that's where the original battle was. But anyway, it was gorgeous yesterday. It was like 80 degrees and sunny, and I stood outside in the sun for probably, I don't know, 45 minutes at least. And I can tell my lips are a little chapped, maybe even slightly sunburned. So perfect timing. Okay, the Mini Simple Folded Corners Ruler by Antler Quilts has us blushing with excitement. Our favorite tool for cutting corners has taken a pleasingly pink hue, making it easy to spot anywhere in the room. So that is this. And choose between oversized folded corner to trim down or no trim exact size folded corners. See that? That's pretty cool. And in pink, there is a quilt pattern. It takes two. Bursting with hearts, this delightful quilt is a lovely way to show off your favorite fabrics. The Falling in Love fabric in this box is specially selected as a perfect pairing for this pattern. Look how cute. And you will need background and borders, binding, and backing. But it looks like they have included in the box, not the backing, but the background and borders. And binding, I think. We'll see. Okay, so that's the pattern. The finishing fabrics. Oh, it's, yeah, background, borders, and binding. So that is this. Let's pull that out so I can look at it. Sorry about that. Is that noisy? So, oh, that's really pretty. I don't know how well you can see. And then this one. That's really nice. This one's not showing up. Well, you can, yeah, you can see it there. So you've got this little, I don't know, what do you call it? Crosshatch kind of stuff on it. I'm looking to see if it has a description of the fabric. Just says finishing fabrics. So red and white. And very exciting, the Fat Quarter Bundle. Fat Quarter Bundle? Yes. Falling in Love is sprinkled with spoon-worthy motifs like flowers, trucks, and typewriters, as well as some cheery basics. So here we go. And it is from Riley Blake Designs, Falling in Love. Let's open that up. Here we go. How pretty are those? Look at those colors. My only criticism of this is that it would have been nice to have this like 6 weeks ago, because then I could have worked on it for Valentine's Day. Oh, I love this. Look how cute that is with the little trucks, the typewriters, and a bouquet. Is it a love letter? Yeah, like typing a love letter. What else have we got? Oh, a kissing booth. If I can hold it up. There we go. See a little kissing booth right there. That's so pretty. I really like that. Okay, there's one. This one with the flowers. Pink with swirls. X's and O's and hearts. Yeah, on a red background. More flowers. And red. How pretty is that collection? That's really nice. So if I can kind of lay them out. There we go. How's that? I like that. I really like the trucks and typewriters. That's super cute. Okay, so that is the 2022 Cupid Box. It Takes Two. This is the pattern. It is from the Fat Quarter shop, and you can possibly order this. I don't know if you can order this pattern separately or not, but it is designed with these fabrics in mind. And let's see if it says what size. Finished size is a square 34.5 by 34.5. I think that one's fun. I might do this one. Well, take care, everybody. I am still dressed for church, which is why I wanted to try to record really quick, but I got to change clothes and go feed chickens and goats. The rest of my family is out for the afternoon, and I said, I'll take one for the team, and I will go feed critters. Hopefully Hubert, our rooster, will keep me company. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen a few pictures of Hubert. He loves people, and he follows us around when we do outside chores, like runs to my son particularly to follow him around. So Hubert will probably keep me company, and then I'll just hang out with Bentley for the afternoon. Isn't that right, Bentley? Is he not speaking to me? Are you not speaking to me? Yes, he's a good boy. Come here. I'll tell everybody bye. Come here. Good boy. There we go. Tell him bye. Let's tip this down just a little bit. Now everybody can see Bentley. Yeah. He's a good boy. All right, tell everybody bye, Bentley. Say bye. Thanks, everybody. We'll chat again soon.